Today we are going to discuss regarding the hazards and disaster. So there is one of the definition we have covered here is a disaster management, and the definition of the hazards and disaster. So a definition will be hazard is an unusual drastic event that can be natural or can be caused by humans and affect the survival of the human life. So hazard means that is unusual usual drastic event that can be natural in the form of natural, which can be caused by the human and which affecting the survival of the human life. This is known as hazards. Disaster is the destructive event. This is one of the destructive event which causes of the life is become loss and which affect the health of the humans, which cause financial loss. And disaster is the disturbance in the normal ecology that can be replaced immediately to the original condition. When the condition is become disturbed, the ecology is become disturbed, so it can be replaced to the original condition that comes in the that affect the human life of the every human beings. So disaster is the man-made or naturally occurring destructive. There are two types of the disaster: is a man-made disaster or naturally disaster events. So man-made or naturally occurring destructive event that need multiple assistance from several agencies. So we are getting the support from the other agency, NGO and non-NGO, and other type of WHO, Red Cross. So they are providing some of the multiple assistance in the condition of disaster. So it may be occurring in the form of man-made or naturally. The occurrence of the disaster in any area affect the total equilibrium of the nearby hospital that cannot be deliver care or cannot be bear the threshold of services needed to the equalize or treat entire population affected by the disaster. So when the disaster is occurring in any area which affecting the nearby hospitals total equilibrium and also affect the care which we are delivering to the needy person and cannot bear the threshold of the services and needed to the equalize to treat entire population affected by the disaster. So disaster is an unexpected destructive events that occur in the short period of time. Disaster, it is a unexpected destructive event which occurring in the short period of time, which create a bitter experience among the survivor. So here the person will have the some of the loss of family, and they are become handicapped, loss of their belonging, end up with their any disease condition. This comes in the disaster. So disaster is defined as man-made act of destruction that result in the loss of human life, material loss, followed by the physical injury and other effects. So disaster means that is the man-made act of destruction which result in the loss of the human life and material loss, which can follow the physical injury or other effect. So this is known as disaster. So overall, the definition of the disaster कि disaster दो प्रकार का होता है, जिसमें एक तो man made होता है, एक naturally occurring disaster होता है. It is a type of destructive events होता है where the person is suffering and survivor is having the loss of human life, and where can be material loss होता है, and it also affect the physical injury of the person and other effect may develop in the human being. So this is the definition of the hazards and disaster. So next move on the types of the disaster and hazards. So there are types of the hazards and disaster are there are five types: sudden onset hazard, slow onset hazard, industrial and technological system failure, war and civil strife, and epidemics. So these are the five types of hazards and disaster. Sudden onset. It is a type of sudden onset. When the sudden onset is occurring, it is known as sudden onset hazard. Slow onset, where the slow onset will be occurring in form of hazard. Industrial and technological system, when the technology or any industrial is become failure, in that condition the hazard disaster may develop. In war and civil strife, we can see that somewhere the wars may be in between the two countries. Civil and the civil movement is also one of the condition and may develop into the disaster. Epidemiological diseases may suffer the human life, and epidemics, any earthquake, flood, so they may affect the human being also. So again, there are types of the hazards and disaster. You can see here unexpected onset of hazard, geological and climate hazards. Second one is the man-made environmental hazards, and third one is the industrial and technological hazards, and fourth one is the wars and civil strife, and the fifth one is the epidemics hazards. So unexpected onset of the hazard or geological and climate hazards. This type of hazard include natural disaster hazards that occur suddenly, such as earthquake, tsunami, tropical storm, volcanic eruption, landslides, avalanches, rock or snow, forest fire, leading to the deforestation, geomagnetic storm, and mud flows, etc. So this is a type of unexpected onset of the hazards or geological and climate hazard. So these are the climatic condition and geological conditions which may develop into the some of the like disaster. So this type of hazards or disaster become comes in the natural hazards or natural disaster, just like earthquake, सुनामी वगैरह होती है, ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म होता है, वॉल्केनिक eruption होता है, लैंडस्लाइड वगैरह होती है, avalanches होते हैं, रॉक एंड स्नो एंड फॉरेस्ट फायर, जिससे कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन होता है, जियोमैग्नेटिक स्टॉर्म डेवलप होता है, मड फ्लोज होता है. So these all condition is developing into the geological and climatic hazards. So next move on the man-made environmental hazard. सो ऑलरेडी दिस मैन मेड मीन्स आपको पता लग गया होगा कि मैन मेड के द्वारा ही मतलब एक खुद इंसान इस चीज को बनाता है. मैन मेड एनवायरमेंटल हजार्ड एनवायरमेंट को जब पॉल्यूटेड कर देता है या एनवायरमेंट के अंदर पेड़ों की कटाई वगैरह इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं जिससे कि एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन डेवलप हो जाती है, तो उस कंडीशन के अंदर एक प्रकार से एक हजार डेवलप होता है, डिजास्टर डेवलप होता है. जैसे these include the deforestation, famine, and poverty. These are the some of the example of the man-made environmental hazard. And again, example is the agriculture hazard, shrinking of the aral area, salinity in the Australia. So these all comes in the examples of the man-made environmental hazards when the these hazards are prepared by the human self. So they may develop the deforestation, famine, and poverty. And again, industrial and technological hazards. So industrial and technological hazards, these include failure in the security system, accidental spillage of acids, explosion, fire accidents, etc. So industrial के अंदर जहाँ सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम फेल हो जाती है, एक्सीडेंटल स्पेलेज होता है, एसिड एसिड फेंक दिया जाता है बाहर से, बाहर निकल जाता है एसिड, एक्सप्लोजन हो जाता है, पंप fire accidents हो जाता है. So these comes in the industrial and technological hazard. So there may be some of the example just like Minamata disease. Minamata disease because of mercury poisoning in Japan. जापान के अंदर mercury poisoning से Minamata disease डेवलप हुई थी 1950 के अंदर and 1960 तक. And Ontario Minamata disease in Canada, जहाँ कनाडा में हुई थी उसको हम कहते हैं ओंटेरियो मेनामाता डिजीज. ये जहाँ पर जापान में हुई थी उसके मर्क्यूरी पॉइजनिंग हुई थी और जिसको मेनामाता डिजीज कहते हैं. कनाडा में मेनामाता डिजीज ओंटेरियो के नाम से जानी गई. So this is the industrial and technological hazards. Next is the wars and civil strife. So wars and civil strife, here we can see. So wars and civil strife, through the wars and conflict, thousands of people are injured, many lose their homes, and many are disabled. So इस कंडीशन में सिविल स्ट्राइक के अंदर और वॉर के अंदर the person is having the more conflict and they may endure because of their conflicting issues, and they may lose their homes, and they many are disabled because of the war and civil strife. So next is the epidemic hazards. So and the epidemic hazards, these occur due to the sudden entry and increase in any new disease in the area, affecting the health of the people and causing death and disability. एपिडेमिक हजार्ड्स का मतलब होता है जैसे कि अभी कोरोना चल रहा है आपका, तो कोरोना इज वन ऑफ द कंडीशन इज एपिडेमिक हजार्ड, is an endemic disease. This occur due to the sudden entry and increase in any new disease in the area. किसी भी एरिया के अंदर कोई भी नई डिजीज डेवलप हो जाती है, बढ़ती जाती है, सडन एंट्री होती है, जो लोगों की हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करती है, जिसका कारण है आपका डेथ एंड डिसेबिलिटी। जैसे कि एग्जांपल में हम बात करें तो एबोला वायरस आउटब्रेक इन द अफ्रीका, मलेरिया, डेंगू फीवर, जस्ट लाइक एबोला वायरस जो अभी आया था, जो अफ्रीका से आया था, अफ्रीका में मलेरिया, डेंगू फीवर, these are some of the epidemic hazards. So these all are the types of disaster and hazard we are discussed here. So next move on the next class.